the flight, and the sip. Welcome back. Or not. Whatever. Look, I know you're tired, probably overstimulated, undercaffeinated, and being emotionally blackmailed by your own frontal lobe. Join the club. We meet on Tuesdays. There's Moss. But, while you're here, let's do something ridiculous. Something so deeply, painfully present that your brain won't know where to escape to. Today's practice involves 2 revolutionary acts of rebellion against chaos and burnout. Folding a paper airplane and drinking something warm without doom scrolling. Yes, this is therapy now. The paper catastrophe. First, grab a piece of paper, any paper, a receipt, a to-do list, the existential contract you never signed but somehow still feel obligated to uphold. No paper? Fine. Imagine it. Visualize the pulp. Smell the mild despair. Lay it out in front of you like a sacrificial offering to whatever gods you used to believe in. We're going to fold this into something that technically flies, but mostly crashes. Like your plans. Now, fold it lengthwise, slowly. This is not origami. This is not school. This is you, resisting the urge to do something productive. Now look at your hands. Not metaphorically, actually look. Notice how they move. Shaky, stiff, covered in glitter from yesterday's breakdown craft project. Doesn't matter. Just notice. Open that paper again. It now contains a line, a spine, a gentle suggestion of order. Now fold the top corners down to meet that line. Do it with exaggerated care, like you're folding your dignity into something aerodynamic. Pause. Breathe. Keep going. Make a little plane. Doesn't matter if it's wonky or crooked, or if it has emotional baggage. You do too. Now, let it fly. Throw it gently, or yeet it into the abyss. Watch it drift, spin, crash, or immediately nosedive into the cat's water bowl. Success. And now, we sip. Get something warm. Tea, coffee, hot swamp sludge. Whatever reminds you that you're alive and slightly sentient. Hold the mug in both hands. Like it owes you something. Like it's the last comforting thing in this weird simulation. Feel the warmth against your fingers. If it's too hot, congratulations, you're paying attention. Now, bring it slowly to your face. Breathe in the steam like it's an emotional support cloud. Notice the scent. Is it floral? Earthy? Slightly burnt because you forgot again? That's fine. It still counts. Take a sip. Not a gulp. A sip. Feel it roll across your tongue. Let it introduce itself like an awkward stranger at a therapy group. Notice the flavor. Complex? Bitter? Sweet? Surprisingly underwhelming? Yeah, same. Now swallow and actually feel it. Not symbolically, just literally feel it go down. Stay there for a breath or two. You're not trying to be zen. You're just a mammal who drinks stuff. And now, look around. Maybe you're in a room. Maybe you're in your head. Maybe you're in some metaphorical bog of unmet expectations. Cool, same. But for a few moments, You folded something, and you sipped something, and you didn't escape. Even if your plane flopped, even if your drink was slightly disappointing, even if your brain did that thing where it tried to plan your entire life mid-fold, you were here, and for now, that's enough. And later, when your thoughts start chewing on your soul again, just imagine folding them into a tiny dysfunctional airplane and yeeting them gently into the void. That's mindfulness, swamp style.